Nate Stone, it's my 2005 Kenworth W900. Bought this back in January. Been leased on with a guy out of Shawano, Wisconsin, Jason Yeager, for 2 years now. Well, will be 2 years in December, but I've got a old 93 that kind of back on the back burner, and that's where this one came in. Terry Aslinger built this down in Missouri, so that's who I bought that from. So I've just kind of been doing my little touch to it, but I liked how it sat, and I was like, I need it. It was immaculate. So the way I justified it was I was looking for a new truck because I couldn't sit for 2 months to rewire my truck. So I was looking for trucks probably for like 2 months straight, and this popped up, and I messaged Terry right away and had a fresh overhaul with 5,000 miles. Tranny was rebuilt on it, so I was like, had all warranty. I'm like, all right, so I should be okay with this. So I was able to talk him into buying this, and been running it since the end of January. So when he bought it, it was a rolling chassis. The guy that had it was going to build it into a show truck. He told me it was like 330-inch wheelbase. So he's like, it's too long for me. So they ended up cutting it down to 295. So then they ended up putting a motor in it. They put a 99 3406E in it, and then just a newer transmission. So I was like, it's basically a brand new truck. So I was like, that works for me. So it had double hump fiberglass fenders on it, and the bolts pulled through it, and I would think the fiberglass would go on it, but it ate through the brand new tire I had. I was like, oh no. And me being a bigger guy, I couldn't get underneath the truck. So I had a buddy of mine, Bryce Nowitzki, out of Wisconsin. He ended up building T-bars for me and the back bar, and then we mounted the new fenders to the T-bars, and I kind of wanted the lower look and all glass. I just like the patterned glass lenses look, so I put glass lens on everything. So that was pretty much the only touch I wanted. Pretty much everything else, I've just kind of been adding lights here and there, but pretty much I'm not going to touch it. It's good enough for me. The paint, a lot of people don't notice the lace inlay until they walk up to it, and they're like, oh, that's neat. I was like, I like it. When the sun hits it just right, it pops. So it looks nice going down the road, so I get compliments on it, so it makes me happy. But yeah, it's just a gray interior, and then I've just kind of been adding lights here and there, and try and make it my home since I'm in it all the time.